Walking through the velvet rain with you. Streetlights blur into a golden hue. Your coat brushing softly against mine feels like a moment frozen in time. And the world grows still, like it bends to our will. Every raindrop shines like your hand in mine. Through the velvet rain, you hold me close and everything feels safe. Warm as the glow of a passing train, soft as the memories we can't replace. Let the night remain where our footsteps softly intertwine again. Through the velvet rain, you say my name. Your breath circles in the air so light, a quiet warmth in the fading night. The city hums like a lullaby, while your heartbeat keeps me by your side. And the day may come when the sky forgets the sun, but this moment stays in the softest shades. Through the velvet rain, you hold me close and everything feels safe. Warm as the glow of a passing train, soft as the memories we can't replace. Let the night remain where our footsteps softly intertwine again. Through the velvet rain, you say my name. If the world drifts far away, promise me you'll always stay in the quiet of my mind where our shadows intertwine. Through the velvet rain, you hold me close and everything feels safe. Warm as the glow of a passing train, soft as the memories we can't replace. Let the night remain where our footsteps softly intertwine again. Through the velvet rain, you say